This is how you're going to add new contacts to your Yahoo Mail. If you want to add new contacts to your Yahoo Mail, then this is what you're going to do. So first step is you're going to head over to your mail.yahoo.com, and then from here you're going to make sure that you're signed into your account, or you have to sign up to an account. Now once you're signed in, you will be taken to your inbox or your dashboard. So all that you have to do is to click on this box right beside the contact that you want to save. So you're just going to click on this box right here, and then from there you're going to head over to the top toolbar. Now from the top toolbar, you're just going to click on the three dots icon, and then from here, from the dialog that will appear, you're going to click on Add Center to Contacts. Once you click on this, a side panel will appear on your right. Now, this is your contacts tab. So all you have to do is to add in your contact details, such as the first name, middle name, last name, nickname, email, and all of the further information that is being asked. So for this one, I'm just going to add this name. And then from there, you're just going to click on save once all of your details has been added. So just click on save right here, and you can see that this email has been added as a contact. Now, if you want to edit your contact, you're just going to head back to your dashboard, and then you're going to look over to your right. Now from here, you're going to click on the contacts tab, and then you're going to click on your contact to edit it. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on it. You're going to click on the three dots once again, and then you're going to click on edit contact. Now from here, you can just edit all of the further information that you want to edit, and then you're just going to have to click on save once again. So for all new contacts that you want to save, you're just going to follow all of these steps, and that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.